Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode's not really the right word. On today's video, we bought a 380. Almost like we didn't have enough crappy projects to deal with. We decided we would buy another one. So. It's got a few scuff marks and it was on gas, so we're fixing that. And by fixing I mean removing. Your opinion on that is your own, and that is fine. So the idea is, well, we actually bought it to wreck it, but it was sort of too nice to wreck. As you can see, it does need a good clean, but that will pertain to a future video. So there's a couple of videos we will get out of this car as well. I'm hoping to do a couple today, and then I'll upload them, sometime between now and then. Yeah, so this is the first time we have actually owned a 380. So to all you people that are like, you were doing it on a Magna, not a 380. I mean, it's basically the same anyway. But now we've got a 380 that we can do some stuff on. So we'll walk you through fixing it. We'll get a roadworthy check on it and just, 100% determine that it is worth fixing before we fix it. We're just basically getting it running at the moment. It needed a radiator when we bought it. I've already bought a tail light for it that it needs. But other than that, it seems pretty good. So we will keep you guys updated on where we go with the 380. When it's done, you could probably buy it if you really want to, or buy parts of it, whatever, either way. Yeah. So this is our 380. I'll do a quick walk around. Honestly, we bought it like a week or two ago, and I haven't even looked at it that great myself yet. I've just been either busy doing other stuff, or not caring, or caring about other stuff too much to be worrying about this. So, yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just doing this myself while Floyd's doing stuff. You'll see that there is a manifold here. That is the gas one that we removed. One thing I actually do really like about the 380, I think the gauge clusters in them, or the instrument cluster rather, in them, are really nice. I really wish Magnas had chrome rings. Yes, I know you can do it, but I like that these come with it from factory. Not that it really matters, but can we talk about how ugly the handbrake and the shifter are? I mean, even the center stack, not my jam. But I'm really fussy in saying that, so I'm only whinging about shit that doesn't really matter. So I will give this a really good detail and clean. When I say really good, I'm not a detailer, just like I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a rookie bitch who likes playing with stuff. That's the back seat. Not that you can really see because the shadow's awful. Got some rims, not that you can see it because the shadow's awful. Here's the tail light that I need to fix. Here's a good tail light. But yeah, this is our new project, so we will have a little bit of fun with this, and we'll keep you guys updated and make some videos along the way. Thanks for watching.